So what are you going to do is to take off the cover, right, off of the side mirror. Just to pull it from the back, and pry it forward. So it will be like this, just pry it upwards and forward. Alright, my side indicator looks like this. As you can see here, it matches. However, there are two screws, one to the front and one somewhere right behind here. Now I just need to power the mirror, tilt the mirror inwards for me to get more space inwards. Alright, so just put power. This is the right mirror, so make sure it's on the right, and just tilt it forwards, and you should be able to see the screw a lot better right in there. Right, because mine's will basically in pieces, just fall out of my hands. So this is how it would look. I actually left the screw there, so it would be easier for me to find the space and screw it back up. Now when you're taking out this plug, what I recommend you do is to put a flat screwdriver up and push it up. Right, you don't need to squeeze any back here, just push it up and it will come out. So the indicator is on and the LED is not working. We'll put it on to the left side. Indicator comes on. Indicator comes on. One, turn it on the left side. It's not on. Right. So it took me some time for it to actually connect the ports for it to work properly. And so this will be the fitment of the new side indicator.